Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to one of our latest video tutorials. Today we will demonstrate how to set up the Cambridge LTI in your Blackboard section. So first log in into your Blackboard section, then go to Ibda Huna, and then I suggest you build a folder first. So build content folder, type in Cambridge LMS, right? And click submit. Right? Now go to the folder itself and then select build content and then go to Cambridge 1 dashboard. This will open up a new page that will link to Cambridge 1 LMS online. It will automatically log you in using your email address from Taibah University as a teacher's account. And you will notice that it automatically logged in using my section. So it's the same thing that we find online. Alright, you will have no materials. So first you need to add the materials. Alright, it will ask you to add the materials, course material, and then it will ask you, once added, only your school administrator can remove it. Do you want to continue? Say yes, continue, and then you'll be able to see a screen like this. And then if you need to add another course book, click on more actions, add course material. Alright, so I've already added Unlock Speaking 1, Book 2, I'm sorry. Then I will add Book 2, Reading and Writing, and click Add. And then you'll get this message again. Click Continue. And there you go, as you can see. Both course materials are here. Just like you find online, you have the digital workbook with videos, the classroom material. You would have to activate the teacher's resource, just like we've done before, if you have a code. And marking is from here, and here is to create and manage links. What this means is you can create the assignments and it will put a link in that course folder. So for example, alright, I'm going to click here, create and manage links. Alright, for my students I can click digital workbook with videos. And then these are the units. Not like online, you have to just select the unit itself. So unit 1, places for example, and then click create link. Alright, and you should get a message saying that success, link to Cambridge 1 content created. Alright, and you can close that window out. If you go back to your LMS class, go back to the folder here, Cambridge LMS, and you notice over here, unlocking listening, speaking, and critical thinking, digital workbook, places. That's unit 1. If you want to edit, rename it, you can. If you want to call it unit 1 assignment, reading and writing, just click edit. And you could change the name here if you like to make it easier for your students. You can say unit 1, book 2, unit 1, places. Alright, points, you could change the points, 1 point, 100 points, 10 points. Visible to students, you could set up due dates if you like, if you want. And then click, you can add files, but click submit. And there you go. As you notice, once the students click on this, it will take them directly to that assignment on the Cambridge One LMS website. As you can see over here. Takes about a minute. And there you go. And they just click next, next, and do the activity. Okay. All right. And you will notice that if you go to your grade center, you will notice that the scores will be over here. See, it created a link over here, places. So for each unit, once you put a link, it will create a gradebook uh, category over here. All right, and you have the option just like we did before. You can hide it, you can change the due date, you can hide it from the students on or off. Okay. All right, and we'll have a future video tutorial on how to extract the grades from Grade Center. All right, so that's how you use the LTI integration. All right, again, I suggest that you put it in a folder, Cambridge LMS, or you could put book 2, listen speaking, book 2, reading and writing, if you want to make it easier for yourself or your students. And then the benefit of the LTI integration is tied into Blackboard. It automatically logs you into Blackboard Cambridge 1. The same thing for the students. And remember, they still need to have a code from the book in order to access it to get marks. Okay. So this concludes the video tutorial on the Cambridge LMS LTI integration. Thank you for watching and I hope this was beneficial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.